Also give the review. Share this video with anyone. I don't know, just share it. Please. In my previous video, I have given my honest opinions and reviews on all of the products that I have purchased and have been using it over these 4 to 5 months of span. I have also mentioned which of the products I would be repurchasing and which are the ones I would be skipping on. But there were a few products that were my most favorite, but I decided to skip on them just to try out new brands. And which are those brands? Today, let's find out. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Priya and in today's video we are going to do a skincare haul. There are a few products that I have already started using, but let's get started. Let's start with sunscreens. I have these two sunscreens. One is from Dot & Key and other one is from Aqualogica. This one is especially for the summers, and the Aqualogica one I always have it in stock because my husband and my brother love these ones. So I never know when they would need it, so I always have it in stock. And for myself, I keep switching between Dot & Key and Aqualogica. As for Dot & Key sunscreens, I have almost tried all of the variants that they have in sunscreens and I love all of them. Love these sunscreens. Next up is a product that I have already mentioned in my previous video. This is the lip balm from Hyphen. Use it in less quantity to be used as a lip balm, and you can use a thick layer of it to be a lip mask. This has also helped me with my lip pigmentation and I had to have it. This is one of my daily products and that is why I wanted to show it to you guys again. Next up is this toner from Dot & Key. As you can see, I have already started using it. It's been somewhere around a week or two that I have started using it, and I use it in the morning as well as in my nighttime skincare routine, and I love it so much. I have already seen difference in my skin. Also, I know many of them say that toner is an optional step. Maybe it's optional because you don't find the right one right away. But yeah, once you find the right one, you would definitely never skip on the toners. And I love this toner. It's really good one. Next up are a few products from Foxtail. I have tried their cleanser and a moisturizer before, but later I did not purchase because I kept using my Dot & Key favorites all the time. But this time I thought of giving a little break for Dot & Key products and try something different. So I have a few products from Foxtail. They had this buy to get 2 products free, and that is why I have a bunch of products from them. Let's start with the cleanser. It says it's normal to oily skin. Mine is combination skin. Now let's see how it works on me. But it is a weekday cleanser and weekend face mask. So this is going to do the job for cleanser and a face mask as well. I have not started using this one yet, but I'm looking forward to using this one. I really love using face masks over the weekend. Having a different skincare routine on the weekend feels so good. I cannot explain the level of satisfaction it gives me, and like the self-care routine, everything that you just do for your skin, yourself, and have your own time. It's the best feeling ever. Next up is the moisturizer. Again, this is not the variant that I had tried before. It has vitamin C, niacinamide and peptides, and it is for all skin types. I have never used peptides in any of my skincares. This is going to be my first time. I've already started using it, but the only thing that I'm going to complain about this right now is the fragrance that it has. It's not very pleasant. I don't mind fragrance in my skincare, but it should feel good. Moving on, we have this niacinamide serum from Foxtail. I have always been using the Dot & Key 10% niacinamide. This is 5%, but I still wanted to give it a try. I just wanted to switch from Dot & Key for a while, and that is why I got this one. It is for all skin types. I have started using it, but not used more than 2 times, so I don't have anything to say more about it. I'll let you know once I use it more. Next up is this Rapid Spot Reduction Drops from Foxtail. It is for all skin types. I have already started using it in my nighttime skincare routine, and I already see the difference. I had dark spots on my left and right cheek, which are almost gone, and I still have dark spots over here in my chin area. There is also active acne, but I'm still using it and I do see the results. I think that's all of the products that I have purchased, but I also have 2 freebies with the Foxtail products that I have got. And this is the cleanser sachet. Actually, this is also the cleanser that I have used before. I love this one as well. I love trying new face washes, and that's why I did not repurchase it. but yeah, it is good one. It also does not create lot of foam and feels more like the Cetaphil one and gives similar results. It is also budget friendly, so you can try this one. And the last is this lip mask. I haven't tried this yet. It feels like jelly. You see this? It looks like this. That's all for the affordable skincare products that I have purchased, but in the next video I'm going to share some of the Korean skincare products that I have recently purchased, and I did not include them in this video because I just wanted to keep affordable skincare in a different video. Because of the internet, I always wanted to try this Korean skincare products while I was actually facing a lot of issues with my skin, but finally I have them and I cannot wait to share it with you all. So if that interests you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope I'm being helpful. Meanwhile, you can also let me know your experience with any of the products that I have mentioned in this video, and if there are any products that you want me to review, I'll gladly do that. And yeah, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one. Bye.